Hi, my name is Max Quinn, and today I'm going to talk about Cognos Analytics. Cognos Analytics is an analytics tool or package managed by IBM. It's very similar to modern tools like Salesforce Einstein Analytics or Wave Analytics, and also Tableau. So you'll see a lot of similarities if you're familiar with those analytics packages. But because it's managed by IBM, we oftentimes see requests to integrate Cognos Analytics into Salesforce. And this is certainly possible. I'll show this during the demo. And the integration can be viewed in different ways. But first, we're able to pull these reports and dashboards stored in Cognos Analytics into Salesforce so they can be viewed within Salesforce. And we're also able to pull data from Salesforce into Cognos Analytics to update these reports and dashboards accordingly. So I'm going to go ahead and show what these look like. And I embedded them in two web tabs up here, Products and Weather Insights. And we're able to see the Cognos dashboards within here. So imagine the case of a retailer. They have revenue by product, revenue by retailer, revenue by order method. These are all dynamic graphs that update when clicked. So if I go to the top and click on some of these locations, for example, we'll see the graphs update accordingly. We can also hit this play button up here to see how the data evolves over time. So if I click play, it starts in the year 2014 and then automatically shifts through the years so we can see the trend over time until I hit the pause button, at which point it stops. There are several different types of visualizations that we're able to see within Cognos. So we're able to visualize here costs by products. Under the retailer tab here, we're able to see the breakdown according to different countries. And similar to Wave Analytics, if I click on the location, we see the data update accordingly. And here we have an update, we have a breakdown according to order method. So you can see that these types of visualizations would be useful for a retailer. And they can see the breakdowns by product, by cost, by revenue. And when clicking on these graphs, we're able to drill down into different data. We're able to filter. We're able to do different things that we might want to do. So now moving on to the second tab, we can also see how we can bring weather insights from Cognos into Salesforce. And weather insights might be useful in the case of an insurance company, for example. So here we're able to see Boston 311 calls, the total number of service requests broken down by on time versus overdue, and then also broken down by weather conditions at the time of the call. If I click on rain, we can see how the precipitation or the rain patterns impact service requests. For example, we can see that light rain results in the most number of service requests. Similarly, we can see how temperature has an impact. So the vertical axis here shows the number of service requests as a sum over a given temperature. So we can see that at very low temperatures, we tend to have a lower number of service requests, probably because these temperatures occur less frequently. And then we see it increase, we see it plateau, then we see it slightly increase as the temperature increases, and then it tends to fall off as temperatures rise to a higher end. And again, we're able to see the totals broken down. This would be very useful in the case of an insurance company that wants to see how weather and different external factors impact their business. Things like zip code and location might also be an impact, and they can drill down and see how that might have an impact. So to summarize, Cognos Analytics is an analytics package, owned and run by IBM that can be embedded within Salesforce. Here we did it within web tabs such as products and weather insights. But we can also embed them in record pages such as accounts. And it can also pull information from Salesforce to reflect the data that's coming from Salesforce so that correct insights can be made and workflows can be acted upon. Thank you.